Hi, I'm here from Aunt M's Quilts and M's Scrap Bag, and today we're going to explore scrappy borders. Remember, if you like my video, to like and subscribe. All right, let's look at some scrappy borders. One way you can do a piece border is to use scrap left over from the quilt, like I did in my 3 hot kisses. I just used 2.5-inch squares that were left over from making the quilt, and I added a fun border after the stop border there. Another way you can use a piece border and a fun way to add interest to your quilt is just to pull from the elements that already are in the quilt. I added a dash border and sashing in Mad Dash to go with the wonky churn dashes that were in the quilt. With Divine, I went with the drunkard's path shape that was used with the leaves in the vines and made a drunkard's path border all the way around. What Ruth has done with her quilt is add trees around the bear paws in her bear scrap quilt. With my Dutchman's Journey quilt, I took the story of my great-grandparents' journey from the Netherlands to America in the Rocky Mountains, and I used the Dutchman's puzzle, and then for the border I made mountains all the way around. A medallion quilt like the one that is behind me is a fun way to explore lots of different borders. So you can keep layering on the borders and keep building on those. Some of these fun borders include some houses and trees. They include pinwheels and bow ties, so it's a lot of fun way to play and add interest with your quilt. I also explored borders in my Home Fires quilt that was recently in a McCall's magazine. Look at all the fun borders we have here. And I played with lights and darks as I added the borders around to make kind of a log cabin theme. So there are patience blocks, there's 9 patches, there's 4 patches, there's more bow ties, lots of different ways to explore different pieced borders. So it's really fun to add a piece border rather than just slap some fabric around. It can add interest and make it more fun for your quilt. So I would encourage you to try piece borders. Thanks for watching my video. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.